Okay, guys, welcome to the course. I hope you're really excited because I'm really excited to share this method with you. I got a great one for you here. I'm going to try to keep it brief for you because I don't want to like prolong the process and prolong the lessons. I want you to get the information as fast as possible so that you can start it as fast as possible, take action, and then start making money yourselves. So I'm going to show you exactly what I do to build a targeted email list of, realistically probably 1,000 to 2,000 people that's extremely targeted, but you can build an email list of like 100,000 people in a targeted niche. Granted, some of those emails will not be targeted in that long list. So I'm going to teach you how I do it 100% for free. That is no gimmick. I do this 100% for free. From the software, I'll give you a cracked version of it. More software to pull those emails out. How to target certain keywords and emails on those keywords, how to identify a niche that, could be potentially profitable that you can market to, all those things, and then how to send the emails, how to retarget emails, how to, we'll get into all of that. There's so much to learn here. There's so many things to, go over. But like I said, I'm going to try to keep it as streamlined and fast for you as possible because while I do want to teach you and while I do want you to learn, I'd rather see, people succeed with this because I know just how successful people can be. It costs you literally nothing. You don't have to pay a penny out of your pocket to do this, minus the cost of the course, of course, whatever you paid for it. But you can easily earn that back. I'm going to show you in the next lecture, how successful I've been just starting this recently. I've been doing this for a while, but my most successful, usually I do, affiliate links that with this method, at least this targeted kind of broad marketing. I'll send email lists out, or I'll send emails out to my email lists, for ClickBank products or digital products that earn me a high commission, but aren't like ridiculous amounts of money. So I recently just started launching a new one where it's earning me a lot more money, and I literally just started this probably about a month ago. So really cool. I got a lot to show you guys. I'm really excited. So with that being said, let's just jump right in and we'll get right to it.